Once you have set up your new SurvCE project and are on the Job menu, you will need to set up your GPS receiver profile. To do this, click on the Equipment tab towards the top of the screen. Then select Number 2 GPS Base. You will then be on the GPS Base Setup screen. Under the Current tab, you can select your receiver's manufacturer from a drop-down list, and then use the Model drop-down list to locate the correct model of your receiver. You will notice additional tabs have appeared at the top of the screen. Clicking on the Comms tab will allow you to configure your reference receiver's COM ports. If you are using a cable connection, you can select your port from a drop-down list and adjust the baud rate, parity, stop bits, and data bits. It is recommended, however, that you use the Type drop-down list to select Bluetooth, indicating that you are using a Bluetooth connection. In the Bluetooth Type drop-down list, you will want to select Windows Mobile. Then select the Setup button to the right. This will take you to the Select a Base Bluetooth Device screen. If you have previously connected devices using Bluetooth, they will appear in the list below. To add a new device to the list, select the Find Device button. This will begin a search for close-by Bluetooth devices. Once SurvCE is finished searching, you will be given a list of available devices. Locate your receiver on the list. NavCom brand receivers will be labeled by their model name followed by the serial number. Then select the OK button. Once your Bluetooth device is shown on the list, you can choose to assign a unique name or set a PIN number for the device. Once your device settings are configured properly, select the Bluetooth Connect button at the top of the screen. Back on the GPS Base Setup screen, you will see your device name appear in the Device drop-down list. Now click on the Receiver tab at the top of the screen. In the drop-down list, you should see the model of your receiver displayed. If it is not, use the drop-down list to locate it. To the right, you will see the antenna height offset. This number is associated with your receiver and will automatically appear at the correct antenna height offset. Below the antenna model drop-down list, you can select if your antenna will be mounted vertical or on a slant. You can also select the NGS button to subtract the NGS AOADMT bias from the antenna offset values to get the absolute offset. Please note that this should not be used if you are combining with measurements that were done with relative offsets. Below these options, you will want to enter an antenna height, an elevation mask, and choose a position rate of either 1 Hz, 2 Hz, or 5 Hz. For advanced settings including data collector NMEA files, select the Advanced button. Clicking on the RTK tab at the top of the screen will take you to the screen to set up your linked device. The device drop-down list allows you to choose from a variety of different linked devices. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select the internal UHF radio. Settings of the various linked devices will be covered in detail in other videos. Once your linked device settings are complete, you can click on the Current tab again. At the bottom of the screen, you are given the option of saving your receiver profile. This is useful if you plan on using the same receiver more than once and would like to use the same settings. To do this, select the Save button. You are now asked to enter a name for the configuration file. After you enter a name for the configuration, you can choose to save it as your default. Click the OK button and you will see your reference receiver profile displayed on the GPS Base screen. If you wish to use this profile the next time you start a project in SurvCE, just select the profile and click on Load. You also have the option of renaming the profile or deleting it altogether. To connect to the receiver, click on the Connect button at the top of the screen. Select the OK button at the top of the screen to continue. You will now see the base configuration screen. Your GPS reference receiver is now configured and you are ready to mark your reference position.